What is unique about your livestock?
They're kind of hairy.
What inspired you to become a farmer?
I rodeoed for a few years. 9/11 happened. Joined the Army. And I came home and I just needed a purpose again. Needed something to do. The animals, working with the animals is kind of what I enjoyed. Puts me in my happy place.
When did you realize soil was something you grew?
The more we started learning about doing things with regenerative practices, the more that we wanted to do more of it. So we just kept learning and changing our practices and improving. And we still are.
Describe your favorite place in nature.
Out here.
Right here.
What motto do you live by?
I can screw it up. It could be worse. Let's try it.
Yeah, that's kind of been a what's the worst that could happen if we try it.